Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 20% and turn on Bluetooth so the phone can push files. Open the DaFit app and immediately grant storage and location permissions. Without them, the app cannot access photos or sync. Once done, tap Watch Face, choose My Photos, then pick the image you want. You're already in the transfer flow, don't back out. This first action initiates cropping and sends a preview to the watch, so you can refine the fit. Now focus on getting the image to display correctly. Use the crop tool to match the DaFit watch shape, round or square, so no essential part is cut off. Make small edits like brightness or contrast if the face looks dim. These adjustments matter because the watch screen is smaller. Once a preview matches your intent, tap Send or Set in the app. Wait for the progress indicator to finish. The app will sync the image and install it as a custom watch face on the device. Finish by confirming the new face on the watch. Long press the screen and choose Set as Default or Save so it persists after reboots. If the image doesn't appear or reverts, reboot the watch and phone, then check Bluetooth connection. Make sure DaFit remains allowed to run in background. If problems persist, clear the app cache, unpair and repair the watch, and resend the image. That usually resolves stuck syncs and permission glitches, so the wallpaper stays put.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.